Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be potting up some of the beautiful succulents that I got from Melissa the Succulent Home. So these pots, I showed you how I made them. I'm going to be using these, and I completely forgot my mesh. Hold on one second, let me go get some mesh for the bottom. Okay, this is just window screening that I found a bunch of. So I just cut it into pieces and I use that. So, yeah. This one is so cute. I know I'll have to put it in a bigger pot eventually, but I really wanted to look at it on inside this beautiful, colorful pot. Okay, that one's all done. Be fairly quickly. Let me zoom in a little bit, and hopefully I stay in frame. This is a really cute pot. I can't wait till she opens up once I water her. So I got a call that came in. I really like this pot. Really turned out pretty. That was really easy too, the pots to make. Just looking to see which way I want it to face. I want it to be that way. We've been getting a lot of rain here, but the days that it doesn't rain, whew, they're hot, hot, hot. Yeah, even if you're in the shade. Okay, look at that one. So cute. Here is this beauty right here. She doesn't have any roots. I mean, actually, I do think that these little things that were coming out here, I don't know if you guys see, I believe those are roots. But to be safe, I'm gonna pot it up and I'll put it in the greenhouse. Did you guys see my my last video of the Home Depot cactuses where I made drainage? And I also show you my awesome deal that I got on a pergola at Aldi's. That's a really good deal. I mean, for the price, $118, it was more, but they brought it down and there was plenty left over. There was a lot. So for the price, I feel like if it lasts you only 2 years, then that's still fine. Yeah. I'm gonna put my Ionium here. It's gonna be a temporary home just until she gets bigger, just to see how she does in the greenhouse, because I didn't have any available taller pots. See, she's pretty tall, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna give her a smidge, just a smidge of water. So I don't know when you're supposed to stop watering, because I know they go dormant in the summer. So I don't know what are the rules if you received one in the mail. Can you give it water, you know, or should you wait? Don't know if that's the case. So where's the other one? Oh yeah, this one. This blue chopsticks. I was talking about how the plant's kind of curved. It will fix itself for the most part. I've always seen it correct itself, so we'll see. This one does not have roots, so this will go into the greenhouse to protect it from rain and sun. Just gonna put it right there like that, and then there's a little one over here like this, and I'll show it to you once she roots and corrects herself. The other one that I was going to do is this one. I was debating whether to let her root by just placing her in the greenhouse without any soil upright, because I do that and it does work. But just because you can tell that her wound is really calloused over, I think she'll do fine rooting in soil. We'll see. And we'll just place her like that, and she'll be in the greenhouse. I do have an area in the greenhouse that's shaded. It doesn't get intense sun, so that's where she's going to be going. For this one, I'm going to place it with the other ones that I have that I believe is the same one. It looks very similar. So it's rooted, so I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it into the same pot where the other ones are. Okay guys, let me yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do top dressing for now, just to make sure that they do okay. And that's it. Let me put them together and show you guys what they look like. Guys, here they are, all potted up. Move this one so you can see that one in the colorful pot. There's this one in the colorful pot. So yep, I can't wait to watch these grow. Again, Melissa, thank you for being so generous and giving me these, sharing your gardening with me. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check her out. Bye guys.